The National Weather Service, this is the emergency alert system. Now, the National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for coastal areas of California and Oregon from Davenport, that's 10 miles northwest of Santa Cruz, to the Douglas Lane line in Oregon, 10 miles southwest of Florence. If you are located in this coastal area, you must move inland to higher ground. Tsunami warnings mean that a tsunami with significant inundation is possible or is already occurring. Tsunamis are a series of waves dangerous many hours after initial arrival time. The first wave may not be the largest. At 10:44 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, an earthquake with a preliminary magnitude 7.3 occurred 45 miles southwest of Eureka. The tsunami warning will remain in effect until further notice. Refer to the internet site tsunami.gov for more information. This concludes the activation of the emergency alert system.